The Nightingale. Once upon a time, in a forest, lived a nightingale. It sang so beautifully that if anyone heard it singing, they would stop working to enjoy its sweet songs. The nightingale was not a very pretty bird. In fact, it was mostly all brown, but that didn't matter. One day, the emperor heard of this bird. He really wanted to have it brought to sing for him and his court at his next party. He ordered his servants to bring the bird immediately.
"Bring me this bird, the nightingale. I want it in my palace to sing for me."
The emperor said. The servants went to the forest, and after a long search, they found the nightingale. The head servant told the bird the emperor's request.
"Please, sweet nightingale, come with us to the emperor. He wants to hear your beautiful song,"
he said. The nightingale accepted the invitation. It said, "Yes, I will come." The bird went with the servants to the palace. In the palace court, the emperor had a golden stick prepared for the bird to sit on. The nightingale sang so sweetly that the emperor had tears in his eyes. The nightingale, upon seeing this, sang even more sweetly. The emperor wanted the bird to come and live with him.
"Please, sweet nightingale, will you stay here and live with me in the castle?"
he asked. "Yes, I will." The bird accepted the invitation. The nightingale had its own beautiful cage, and it sang for the emperor several times a day. One day, a rich salesman sent the emperor a beautiful golden mechanical nightingale. It sang just like a real bird, and it never grew tired. When the emperor knew that the golden mechanical bird could sing all day, he decided that he didn't need the real nightingale anymore. The real nightingale was sad, though it was looking forward to being free again in the forest. A year passed by, and the emperor got tired of the same song that the golden nightingale sang. It was a mechanical bird, so it could only sing one tune. After a while, the mechanism inside it broke, so it couldn't sing anymore. One day, the emperor became ill and wanted to hear the real nightingale sing again. The nightingale came to his window, and sitting on the branch of a tree nearby, it sang its heart out again. The emperor felt much better and soon was well again. The emperor regretted that he had not kept the nightingale. The emperor asked,
"I am sorry I let you go. You are a much better singer than the golden nightingale. Will you stay in the palace with me again?"
The nightingale did not want to be in the cage again. It wanted to be free in the forest, so it promised, "I will come every every day to sing to you." It kept its promise, and the emperor was happy to have the nightingale back again to sing its beautiful songs.